Hi everyone.
Hello.
Today I'm going to talk about love. Do you know what is love?
Yes, no.
The first thing which will strike in our mind is love is about relationship between a person, a boy and a girl.
Not our mind, it's in your mind.
Yeah, it's a relationship. Teacher is interrupting. Relationship between a boy and a girl. But love is a feeling where emotion, characters, and love is a feeling and emotion which a person have towards a thing or a person. But now today I'm going to talk about love, which is mainly about nature. Nature. Yeah. There are many things to love about nature. Where first of all, I'll talk about the destruction causes human characters which causes destruction to our nature. There's many types of destruction, especially deforestation, where money-minded people will destroy the trees in the forest and destroy trees in the forest and how to say destroy trees for their sake of money, which will eventually destroy the flora and fauna and will destabilize the ecosystem. Uh, After deforesting, many animals like flora and fauna will eventually die. This will uh, this will cause the younger generation to not to how to say like they won't able to enjoy sightseeing the scenery of flora and fauna. Um, so our younger generation tend to have lower knowledge about flora and fauna, and they will be more immune to technologies, and they will I would say like keen to uh, get into technology than admiring the nature. Other than that, people also will yeah. There are many ways to preserve nature by there are many ways to preserve nature so that it can be used or utilized by the younger generation. For example, use compact fluorescent light bulb, which will use compact fluorescent light bulb, which will help us to preserve our nature, where it will save energy and it is not that it is expensive, but it will give more energy to the environment, and it does not cause any pollution. Other than that, we should donate our clothing, our clothings and any things which we tend to throw away after we using it or we get bored after wearing it. We can donate those things to orphanage or people who needs our help, because by donating this, people will we will I would say like we will preserve our nature. We won't pollute the nature. Whereas needy people will I would say like needy people will feel very happy and blessed to have kind people like us to donate them these kind of things. Other than that, moreover, we should walk or cycle to our workplace or to any place which into any destination. We should not always use our vehicles, because this is eventually cause pollution. When pollution occurs, our nature will be eventually like nature will be when pollution occurs, nature will eventually get polluted again, and we won't our like our atmospheric the air we breathe will become dirty. So it's like karma. What we do good, we'll get good. When we do bad, it eventually turns back to us. Okay. Okay. Therefore, we should carpool or take public transportation to our destination or to our workplace to conserve, to preserve, to prevent pollution, which shows that we love our environment and nature. It's one way of showing our love to the nature. There's China created one project by collecting all plastic bags from a company which produces plastic, and they will take all those plastic bags and will rearrange in a big hectares of mountainous thing. It's like a design, like I would say, like a garden. It will look like garden made of plastics. It's newly created this year. China doing these kind of things is one way to attract tourists and to preserve nature, because plastic may cause, I would say, plastic may replenish or decompose very late. Due to plastic will decompose very late, this will eventually cause pollution to our nature. So China has taken this initiative because they also love to preserve our nature and make it a clean place. There's one more thing. In USM, I think so last year, there's news where USM held a cleaning project. How to say, like cleaning project in a rural areas, where they conducted conducted a campaign where they collected many garbage bags and take it to a main disposal area. They have conducted this campaign to raise awareness to the irresponsible people who always throws rubbish or loiter the places wherever they go. This shows that many people in our country or other countries does not love our environment. So USM have taken action to do this, whereas UTB also have taken this action by creating a campaign which is called recycling, reducing and reusing. I don't know when this thing will, I don't know when is the date, but they are going to do this project. I got the news. Yeah, I saw in brochure pamphlet over there. Okay. This is what I'm talking about love, mainly theme about love. Then now I'll pass it to Ten to talk about family.
Thank you, Sachin. I will like to talk about the family. I want to emphasize the role of a leader in a family. We know that the leader of the family is our father. Our father is the main person who wants to take over the family after the mother, because he want to be a soldier when he's take care of the family. He want to be a soldier, so he want to sacrifice for his family, and he want to earn money for his family, and he want to show the correct path to children. This picture shows that a father holds a daughter's hand and bring her to a brighter side. It means that a father is a person, he is responsible to bring and shows a correct path to children to a brighter future. As a responsibility father, you want to go to the work as usual, and you want to take care of children, want to spend time with their children and the family members. But other fathers, they are more give important to the luxury things. So they are working for long hours, and they didn't have the time to spend with their children. But in their side, they say they are responsible, they are going to work, they are spending their time on the work to fulfill their children's needs and etc. but they didn't have the time to spend with their children. So their children will take the wrong path because they didn't have the person to communicate with them, and they didn't have the person to discuss their problems with their family members. So they can choose the wrong solutions, then the wrong solution can be an effect in their future, then their future can be spoiled. This is the problems faced by the fathers who want to be responsible like a soldier. What did the father run out of the responsible? This video about the child prostitutes in Brazil, it shows that their parents are not responsible. The own fathers send their children to the prostitution to get the money because he is a drinker and he is also a drug addict. So he wants the money to buy the drugs and the drink. So he sent a daughter to a prostitution place. As we know, 2014 is a World Cup season. We are interested in which team is winning the World Cup. But that's the time the prostitution is very wide in the Brazil. They are collection money in the prostitution from the government is more than the selling tickets to the fans on the World Cup time. This is a man who did this project. He is doing his PhD holder in a university in the Brazil. He is a psychologist. He wants to know about what the solid reason why their parents send their children to the prostitution.
So there's 7 people in here. 17-year-old Michelle down to sell herself when she was 14.
This lady is a mother. She sells the drugs to the other children who involved in the prostitution. They said their main things they are poor, so they selling their self to the prostitution to get the money and to stay alive.
Everybody else has got names. Most of it says Michelle's crack. I asked them, what is it? How many?
From this, they got pregnant, but they didn't know about their father. The children didn't know about their father. Then they started to teach their children also go to the prostitution. There is a case. This project teams got a case from the family members. They interview a daughter in a prostitution group, a childhood sex group. As we know, the Brazil is illegal for the prostitution, but it's illegal for the childhood sex. But still, childhood sex is continuing in the Brazil. This team is went to the prostitution area, the famous area, on the World Cup season. They got see a father drag a daughter to the prostitution area and hang a boat on her. In the boat, the written was for 2 hours is only 5 reais. The reais means the currency value of the Brazil. But the project team, without the acknowledgement of the father, they bring the daughter from that place to save from the prostitution. They got asked the daughter, why are you doing like this? Why did you follow your father? This is the first time for you. The daughter answered that, no, this is my father. I came here because of my father's force. Then she started to story about their family matters. He's a drinker, he's a drug addict, so every day he beats a mother to get the money from a mother. If she repeats, he will beat harder until the blood come out. So a mother gives her money every day. A mother is a housemaid in a house. Every day he gives the money to the drug addict. Then finally a day, a mother refused to give money to the father. So he didn't do anything on a mother. He straight away go to her daughter's room and drag her out to the prostitution place. But they asked, why did you follow your father? The girl stay only onward because I love my father. And this is one of the childhood sex which is now only 18. They are still in the prostitution areas. Their reasons are only simple. They want the money because their father is irresponsibility. Because of their parents, they are going to the prostitution to get the money to run their family. This is on the World Cup time, World Cup season. The mother and father just don't care.
With the World Cup coming, the chance trafficked where drugs are illegal. Jason Farrell, Sky News, Brisbane.
As a conclusion, we also going to be a parent as soon in a few years. So we also want to be a responsible person. If you want to marry, you want to think first. Is that we are a very good person? We want to know about our responsible, and we want to spend time with our children. And don't ever do like this. This is a ridiculous thing. Okay, thank you.